Yep, that's right. That's the ocean. Here we are, after 55 days at the ocean. I wasn't actually anticipating on seeing the ocean for a couple of days, but I was given the heads up that the Newland hill campsite was very, very ordinary. So I made it up to there today, and then had a little reroute here to Encounter Bay. I may even head into Victor Harbour a little later on. I'm not entirely sure where I'm going to stay, but to hear those waves, that's a whole heap of special right there. So yeah, today was a bit of a, it's starting to blur into one in terms of the landscape. I've seen all the hills, I've seen all the grass, I've seen the sheep, I've seen the cows, I've seen the trees, I've seen the bushland. I was getting quite keen to see a big vast bit of blue, and now that I'm here I can't actually get the smile off my face. When I saw the sea for the first time walking down the hill from Newland Hill campsite to Encounter Bay, yeah, there was a moment, it was a big old moment, just to enjoy what has been such an epic trail. And now I'm down to 4 days left starting tomorrow. It's quite an achievement, and haven't finished yet, but this is a perfect little point to reflect and just how far I've come, and from where I've started, right in the middle of what was basically the desert. It's very diverse. Alright, I need to get some food into me because I am withering away. I will talk to you at the end of day 56. Catch ya.